This is our automatic nylon zipper width tester. It is suitable for measuring the zipper's width. It has the function of automatic measurement, alarm or stop, show real-time width data. Its flexible system can freely set upper and lower limits of width alarm according to the customer's theme. It is designed with independent chip, built-in detection system and storage mechanism.
Feeling small when tears are in your eyes, I will dry them all.
One worker can take care of many machines at the same time. It can help us improve efficiency and lower costs. If you are a nylon zipper factory, this is the right tester for your coil forming machine. Welcome to contact us if you are interested.